My seat release handle broken, and first, now we need to remove the screw that holding the old seat release handle. Insert flathead screwdriver into the slot and pry the metal up to expose the screw. You need to do it very gentle, okay? Use torque screwdriver 8 mm to remove the screw. Okay, I use the cloth to prevent scratch, and we need to pry the metal forward to expose the screw hole. See, once you see the screw hole, we need another Phillips screwdriver to hold the metal piece up. Okay, and then remove the flathead screwdriver. Now we need to push the metal up a bit so that the hole, I need to realign the seat release handle with the screw hole. There is a small hook at the bottom of the handle. You can see here. The idea is to insert the hook into the metal slot here. Put it in until it's properly slotted in. Once the hook installed into the slot, the screw hole will be properly aligned. And finally, just screw in the seat release handle into position. Okay, all is done. Remove everything. Voila, enjoy.